So, hi everyone. I'll start with a quick question for all of you. How many of you have experienced acne or pigmentation or say any kind of irritation from any of the products that claim themselves to be effective, gentle or natural? Anyone? Can anyone raise their hands who ever have had irritation or acne breakouts or anything like that? You see, this is a very common problem, right? I see a lot of people suffering this. These brands claim so much, they literally they test our patients and then there are more problems than solutions. So I've created Top, which is a skincare brand that will deliver what it promises. It's actually gentle, effective and natural. So I'm going to take you all through this journey of how Top is actually a game changer for all of us and even those with sensitive skin. So I'll start with the founder's story. I started this brand with my struggle with sensitive skin. Like all of you here, I had faced same issues when I used to apply products, and it reached to such a level that I was diagnosed with a regular skin sensitivity when I was in London completing my master's. So this inspired me to create Top, and I was looking at a lot of solutions, so I went to a lot of doctors, but all of them prescribed medical treatments which were very expensive, had awful smell, and they did not treat the problem at all. So hence, these brands caused a lot of allergies, and still the acne was a continuous problem. So here is Top. It's a testament to joy, self-acceptance, and for skin of color. Our mission is that we want to celebrate and empower the skin of color, which is the Indian skin, through products which are microbiome friendly and suitable for even the sensitive skin. And our long-term vision is that we want to become India's biggest microbiome friendly personal care brand that celebrates every shade of beauty. So, lifestyle, pollution and environment currently in India are the basic problems which have accelerated the pace of acne, premature aging, dryness and sensitivity. The reason behind all of this is so a lot of brands talk about curing your acne, pigmentation and other problems, but rather than talking about the symptoms, why don't we get to the root of the problem? So no brand in India is talking about the root, which is the imbalance of skin microbiome. Plus in India we see there are a lot of DIY recipes where people put kitchen ingredients and they don't even know how much quantity or what kind of formulation they're actually using, which is leading to long-term skin health results. Now there's a huge gap in the market. While the probiotic market for gut has reached a level of $77.12 billion, but if you talk about the same market in skincare, it's relatively small, right? And our objective at Top is that we want to elevate probiotics for skin health to the same level as it is in gut. There are actually a lot of studies and it's all science-backed. Probiotics can actually help you restore your skin's pH. It can help you protect against sun damage and it can also reduce acne outbreaks. You would be surprised to know that probiotics can help you naturally produce ceramides and peptides, which are the most expensive moisturizers selling in the Indian market. So here comes the solution. So we are offering the power of vegan milk and probiotics, which are the two core ingredients here to address this problem of the imbalance of skin microbiome. So Top specializes in gentle and very effective skincare solutions by using vegan milk and probiotics to enhance, nurture and nourish your skin from within. So like I mentioned, vegan milk is for the hydration part as it has a lot of nutrients and vitamins for your skin, whereas probiotics help you with regeneration of skin microbiome. So our USP is that we're 100% vegan, we are for your skin, we are microbiome friendly, and we're even safe for teens and pregnant women. Currently, it's a third-party manufacturing model where we have a third-party manufacturer and we have collaborated with them to develop a Pro-Alpha vegan complex, which is like our core and proprietary vegan complex that is a fusion of different vegan milk varieties. but down the line we want to eventually bring this process in-house. So currently our business model is a D2C one where we are selling our products online and through a lot of e-commerce marketplaces. Plus we are offering minis and a lot of combo packaging to suit every kind of income bracket. Plus we are partnering with influencers who can actually raise awareness about microbiome and why skin health is the core issue rather than skin beautification. Our current traction is that we are on 250 plus, so around 300 plus orders on Amazon every month. We are also selling on Tripia, and this is our current traction as of July 2024. Then we started in April 2024. So March we launched, but we started selling officially in April. These are some of the customer reviews. So if you look at all of them talk about top being very gentle on the skin and how different products cause these people allergies, and then they had moved to top. These are the 4 products, so all of them have different vegan milk varieties, and all of them have basic skincare routine products so that people can easily buy and try it out at once. And all of these products have their own specific variety. So there is a sunscreen with coconut milk, there is a oat milk face wash, there is an avocado milk face mask, and a almond milk moisturizer. This is the market overview. So the global skincare market is huge, and when you talk about the Indian market, it is growing at a rate of 8.25%. This is the target audience of Top. It's between 20 to 45 years. It's a unisex brand, and we are definitely targeting people who want to see clean and say vegan solutions and who understand the need of high quality skincare. This is the go-to-market strategy. So we want to partner with, and we have partnered with a lot of vegan influencers who are taking this concept ahead. We are also creating engaging content on our website, on YouTube and other platforms to create awareness. Also, we are building awareness through social media ads, SEO, WhatsApp and email marketing. Move on to the next slide. This is the market opportunity. So if you look at Top, it's a green tick across all of these criteria. Because we are 100% vegan, we are FDA approved, and we also cater to the microbiome. So this is the team. It's me and my mother. We are the co-founders, and we have a digital marketing advisor who has worked in My Glam and Sugar with over 14 years of experience. There's a lead designer on board as well. Now coming over to the expansion plans. So we are in 2024 and we've already made products which are suitable for skin microbiome. But we want to expand to different microbiome categories, and maybe next year we want to get into scalp microbiome through our hair care range, ultimately moving on to intimate and then body microbiome, oral microbiome, and then finally gut microbiome. Currently the ask is 50 lakhs with around majority of the proportion, around 62% of our funds going towards marketing to create more awareness about this concept and creating the need among audiences. Also, some portion of it would be spent on making new products for different microbiome varieties, and we are also looking forward to build a great team which would be the core of the business. Now coming over to units of economics, so when we are selling on website, our gross margin is 77%, whereas on Amazon it's around 55%. This is the structure. We currently funded from our own capital. These are some of the certifications we have. So we are derma tested, we are FDA approved, and also we have a specific certificate for SPF value as well. Thank you so much for listening, and I'm open to any questions.